दोस्तों इस क्लास में आपको डिक्टेशन दूंगा मैं 100 WPM पर 600 वर्ड्स की डिक्टेशन है, आपको डिक्टेशन में प्रोवाइड कर रहा हूं। बी रेडी फॉर इट। Challenge in the present special appeal is to the judgment and order passed by the learned single judge of this court in writ appeal number 17576 of 2019, whereby the writ petition has been dismissed. The matter pertains to the male and female constable recruitment 2018 initiated pursuant to an advertisement issued by the Uttar Pradesh Police Recruitment and Promotion Board. The principal relief sought in the writ petition was for a direction to the respondents to permit the petitioner to reappear in the re-medical examination and further that a seat may be reserved for him until his grievance is redressed by the respondent authorities. Learned counsel for the appellant writ petitioner has tried to assail the judgment under appeal by contending that after being declared medically unfit by the medical board and also by the appellate medical board, the petitioner had raised a claim for re-medical examination, but the same had not been considered by the authorities. Learned standing counsel appearing for the state respondents has supported the judgment of the learned single judge by submitting that the petitioner, having been declared medically unfit by a duly constituted medical board and the said finding have been affirmed by the appellate medical board, there was no further provision for re-medical examination and the writ petition had rightly been dismissed. We have heard the counsel for the parties and perused the record. The scope of interference in matters relating to assessment of fitness by a medical board constituted under the statutory rules in exercise of powers under writ jurisdiction, in our opinion, would be extremely limited. The courts have time and again emphasized the need for caution when candidates seek to assail the correctness of the findings of a medical board constituted under a recruitment process adopted by the state authorities. We may observe that although the powers of the court under Article 226 are wide enough to issue directions in appropriate cases, but such powers are required to be wielded with caution and circumspection. Matters relating to the medical evaluation of candidates in a recruitment process involve expert determination, and the court should exercise caution in supplanting the process adopted by the recruiting agency and substituting it by a court mandated further medical evaluation. Any such exercise in acceding to requests of candidates who are not found to be medically fit for reassessment on the basis of procedures other than those envisaged by the recruiting agency under the relevant rules would result in the recruitment process being derailed, which would ordinarily be not permissible. In a case where the recruitment process has been carried out as per prescribed statutory rules, where under a procedure has been prescribed for testing the medical fitness of candidates by a duly constituted medical board, the report of the medical board is not to be normally interfered with solely on the basis of a claim sought to be set up by a prospective candidate. In the instant case, the writ petitioner has been found medically unfit by a duly constituted medical board and the said finding with regard to his unsuitability on medical grounds has been affirmed by the appellate medical board, and further the opinion of a private medical practitioner which was sought to be relied upon in the writ petition also does not contain any specific opinion that the petitioner was not suffering from the ailment on the basis of which he had been declared unfit by the medical board. In the aforementioned circumstances, we are of the view that no further indulgence is required to be granted to the appellant writ petitioner in this regard. दोस्तों इसी के साथ ये डिक्टेशन फिनिश होती है। पूरी उम्मीद है आप लोगों ने इसे अच्छे से किया होगा। प्रैक्टिस लगातार करते रहिए। इसकी 120 WPM की डिक्टेशन आपको पता ही है कि वो ऑलरेडी प्रोवाइड की जा चुकी है, तो अगर आपको वो लिखना है तो आप उस कोर्स को ऑप्ट कर सकते हैं। आपसे मुलाकात करूँगा अगली क्लास में अगली डिक्टेशन के साथ। तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, टेक केयर।